Well, we are here finally for another tornado siren. We got Grandma in the car, and then we got my little baby sister. Hopefully she won't wake up.
She didn't make it.
Yeah, she's asleep, but hopefully not. Hopefully she will stay asleep.
I'll text your mother, tell her what we're doing.
We are here in the your car.
We'll take a picture.
Your windows. Your windows.
What?
Really messy.
Oh,
Jeez.
yeah.
All that
Take
dirt
a
bike.
picture of her to
We're at Candy and Co.
your mother.
Really big place. It's currently 4:23.
Store.
We got a couple minutes left, so when it turns to about 4:27, I'll get out. So yeah. Woo. Here we go. Man, look at that Porsche. It's the second time I saw it today. I actually have a picture of it from earlier. Got out at 4:27, so that way I can walk all the way out here. Have all these drains. Alright. 4:27. Look at the size of this thing. Alright. All ready. Alright, one more minute. Here we go! Wow. And that made that low-pitched one. That was... Never heard that before. Hear that? Oh. It's just the keys. And so, there we have it. one was installed just last year. So it's brand new. I've actually never seen another one in this town with the cover on it, and this one's built totally different than all the others. So I'm kind of I'm kind of wondering what type this is, because I know it's a 2001, but I don't know if it's like a 130 or something. But it's different than all the others. It's showing some new stuff, like brand new stuff from the company that probably no other siren could have right now, because I don't know, these are really rare right now, because some of the stuff just came out, like the lights on it. I don't know what the lights would do, but I guess if there's somebody deaf, they see it. I don't know, just the lights, I guess. And then we got solar power. You can see the lights flashing when I was videoing. And that other thing right there, the kind of hook on it, that's a transmitter. So, yeah, there we go. Thank you guys for watching. I put a bunch of other new videos on there, so you might want to go check those out. And see you guys next month for the next